Hi, how can I help you? I just dropped off my script. Why is it taking so long? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me see how much longer it's going to take. Don't you just slap stickers onto a box? It should literally take a minute. Oh, I'm sorry. The reason why it takes a little while longer than expected is because we have to double check the doctor's prescription and make sure it doesn't interact with the 15 other medications that you're taking, so you don't die. Ugh. Alright, well hurry up then. Here you go. Have you had this medication before? Oh, you don't have to ask me those questions. I've already talked this through with my doctor. Oh, okay. No worries. I'd like the generic brand, please. Oh, the generic brand? Yeah, the generic brand. Have you had this medication before? I'm a nurse, I know. You don't have to ask me these questions. Oh, well then in that case you will know how it's a legal obligation of mine as a pharmacist to counsel my patients. Hi, how can I help you? I'm here to get my subscription. Your subscription? Yeah, my subscription. Can I pick it up, please? Oh, your prescription. No worries. What's your name? Thanks. Would you like the generic brand? I want the good one.